Hi all, welcome to another video. Looks a bit messy this one, but I'm bench testing a really cheap system built this time. So spec is the CPU is an Intel i5 4590S, which is socket 1150, 8 gig of RAM, and that graphics card is an Nvidia 9500 GT with a gig of VRAM. Yes, a bit low powered, but really this is an experiment to see what we can get out of it. So the drives will be a 60 gig boot drive SSD, and then a small laptop hard drive, so not even a full size hard drive, and a very basic power system. Now that motherboard is a HP model. I'll put the model in the description, and it's got all these standard connections, so you can put it into any cheap computer case. So none of the connections are proprietary, as some board manufacturers have. So what I'll do is I'll get a few games on here, and that's what will be the next video, with a few benchmarks as well. But if you've got any questions as it stands at the moment, just drop me a comment. The plan is to put this into a cheap case, so I'll do that with the benchmarking video. Thanks for watching.